But if Bill Stieritz, who is has an extraordinary track record, brings together some other investors and they are able to put together an LBO, what is that going to mean for you?
More opportunity for us to be short the company. I mean, for a couple of things. Number one, in order for the company to be taken private, they need to get audited financial statements. Then they need to be able to borrow money. And if you think about the proposition from a lender or an underwriter of a bond issue, I mean, this would be a big deal, right? So the stock today has, let's say, a $7 billion market cap, an $8 billion, something close to an $8 billion enterprise value. Let's assume they paid $9.5 or $10 billion to offer a premium to shareholders, right? They'd have to borrow $5 billion, $6 billion. This would be a major LBO. They'd have to raise $5 billion of equity capital. I'm not sure Carl is really a big believer in this business on a very long-term basis. But let's assume they could find the equity capital. I think it'd be very difficult to borrow the money. Assuming they could issue bonds to do it, and we were forced out of the trade because the company was taken private, we'd replace the position with credit default swaps, and we keep going. And this is not a trade for me. We are going to take this, as I say, to the end of the earth.